Lesson 11, Creating Master Groups. In this chapter, we'll discuss about creation of various master groups like account group, item group and material center group. In the previous chapters, we have discussed about the creation of company, configuring company and so on. From this chapter onward, we'll discuss about the creation of various masters group, and then using these masters in transaction and how to enter transactions and then review reports. In this chapter, we'll discuss about creating various master groups. Master group is the broad level categorization of various masters. For example, under account group, you can categorize your various debtors as sundry debtors, sundry creditors, or further categorize them as North Indian debtors and so on. In case of item group, you can create various item groups for the brands or the companies with which you deal like Whirlpool, Samsung, or you can create item groups separately for refrigerators or televisions and so on. Similar is the case with material center group. You can create material center group for various material centers. So in this chapter, first of all, we'll start with creation of account groups. At the time of company creation, Busy by default creates a lot of account group masters, so rarely a need arises to create an account group master. However, if you want to create more account groups, you can do so by going to Administration Masters Account Group option. Before viewing the account group option, you can see on the screen account group, item group and material center group master. So coming back to the creation of account group, we are going to account group add option. Here we have specified the account group name as debtors north. That is, we are creating an account group for the north debtors. Alias you can specify, and then is primary group yes or no. If you specify a group as primary group, it symbolizes that this group does not fall under any other account group. If you specify no in this data field, then you need to specify another group under which this group will fall. Here, as we are creating a group for debtors north, we will select the sundry debtors group in the under group field. Next, we are creating one more account group for the south debtors. We have given the name as debtors south. Primary group again no, and then we have selected the group again as sundry debtors. So we have created two account groups under the account group sundry debtors. That is, one is for debtors falling under the northern part of the country and one is for the debtors falling under the southern part of the country. As I have said earlier also, that at the time of company creation, Busy creates a lot of account group master. You can have a look on the list of various account group masters created by default by Busy. First of all, we are opening cash in hand account. In the modify mode, you can see it is falling under the account group current asset, revenue account groups, sale account group, duties and taxes account groups. So here you can see almost all types of account groups are created by Busy. You can categorize your expenses, debtors, sales account and so on. Next, we will discuss about the creation of item group master. For this, we'll go to item group add option. Here we have specified the item group name as refrigerators. Primary group yes, that is, this group does not fall under any other group. It is a primary group. And then under the update tax details box, you will specify that whether you want to specify the HSN code for this item group, and then you can specify the HSN code. Similarly, you can specify Y in the specified tax category option and specify the tax category for this item group. An important point to note here is that the whatever HSN code in tax category you specify in the item group master will automatically be picked in the items where this item group will be tagged. For example, you are creating an item in which you have specified the group as refrigerators, then the HSN code and text category as specified in the refrigerators item group will automatically be picked in that particular item. If you leave these data fields blank, then you need to specify the tax category and HSN code for each item master individually. Now we'll create an item master. We'll go to item master add option, specify the item name, print name and then select the group. You can see on the screen that on selecting the group as refrigerator, tax category and HSN code as we have specified at the time of group creation, refrigerator item group creation are appearing automatically. If you have left these fields blank, then here these details you have to enter manually. Next, we'll discuss about the material center group master. Material center is any place where you keep your stock. Material center group is a broad level categorization of material centers. By default, Busy creates godown, production floors and stores material center group. If you want to create any other material center group, then you can do so by using the material center group add option. In this chapter, we have discussed about the creation of account group, item group and material center group. Hope after going through this chapter, you would be able to easily create these three group master in Busy. At the end of the chapter, we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on the screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.